Hello everyone, welcome to Tattva of Data. Today we will learn the roadmap of data science. Think of this like step by step journey that will help you become a data scientist. You may be thinking, where should I start if I want to learn data science? Don't worry, this roadmap will guide you step by step from basic to advanced topic. By the end, you will know exactly what skill you need. Data science is a very big field. At the beginning, it can feel very confusing because there are too many tools and skill to learn. Many people jump randomly into course or tools and they get lost. That's why we need clean roadmap. It gives direction and help us learn into right order. The first step is learn programming. The best language for data science is Python. Start with basic like variable, loops and functions. Then use Python libraries like NumPy for math, Pandas for handling data, Matplotlib for making charts, programming in the foundation of data science. Next, you need some math and statistics. Don't worry, you don't need to PhD, just basic. Linear algebra, vector and matrix in probability and statistics, mean, variance, standard deviation, probability distribution in calculus, simple concepts like derivative and gradient. Remember, that data science equal to data plus math. In real life, data is messy, so you must learn how to collect and clean data, to exploratory data analysis, that is EDA, to find patterns, make visualization using Matplotlib and Seaborn. Think you like cooking. Before you cook, you must clean and prepare the ingredient. Now comes to exciting part, machine learning. This is where computer learn from data and makes prediction. There are many types of machine learning like supervised machine learning, unsupervised machine learning, semi-supervised machine learning, reinforcement. Once you know basics, you can move advanced topic like deep learning, neural network, CNN for image, RNN for sequences, natural language processing, that is NLP, working with text like chatbot and sentimental analysis, big data technologies, handling very large data sets. You can choose this based on your interest and career goals. A data science also need practical tools, SQL for working with data sets, Git and GitHub for version control and teamwork, cloud platform like AWS, GCP or Azure, MLOps and development to put ML model into real use. This skill will prepare you for real industry work. Theory is important, but projects are the most important. Start with small projects from Kaggle or UCI datasets, then do end-to-end projects, collect data, clean it, build models, and show results. Finally, share your work on GitHub and LinkedIn. This platform will prove your skills to employers. And that is roadmap of data science. Follow the step one by one, and you will become a skilled data scientist. Thank you for learning with Tattva of Data. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more lessons. See you in the next